Hey everyone, and welcome back. This week's recipe review is Authentic Jambalaya from Cooking with Claudy. It's a classic one-pot Cajun dish made with sausage, shrimp, and rice. It promises bold, New Orleans-style flavor without being complicated. So stay with me, and we'll get started. Okay, so everything went really well with this authentic jambalaya. I cooked the rice for 22 minutes and it was tender, but also a little mushy. It wasn't fluffy as it should have been, but that was my fault. I added 4 cups of broth instead of starting with 3 and adding more if needed. I also probably stirred it more than I should have, but it was starting to stick to the bottom of the pan and I didn't want it to burn. So we'll see how it tastes shortly. For the sausage, I used Applewood smoked chicken sausage because it was a healthier option than pork. I also used Emeril Lagasse's Cajun essence for the seasoning. I'll leave a link in the description box below for the homemade recipe. I also used medium shrimp and doubled the amount called for in the recipe because I didn't want to skimp on the shrimp. Now on to the taste test. I started off with a bite of the shrimp and some of the chicken. The flavor was incredible. The Cajun seasoning enhanced their overall taste and it had just enough spice for my taste. The rice was tender and a little mushy, but it was still delicious. Next, I had a bite of the chicken with the sausage. That was very tasty. I loved the smoky flavor of the sausage along with the combination of spices. Everything blended together nicely into a wonderfully spicy, hearty dish. Overall, I give this jambalaya 100 stars. Next time, I'll have to work with the rice so it's not mushy, but again, that didn't affect how good it was. So if you're craving some New Orleans style comfort food, give this one a try and I'm sure you'll love it too. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch my smoked sausage and rice recipe review.